In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to train ChatGPT to write like you or to match your brand voice. Not like some robotic intern straight out of copy and paste school. We're breaking down 4 smart ways to reverse engineer how winning brands personalize AI to sound like them, pulling straight from million-dollar companies. No fluff, no guesswork, just real strategies. Stick around because this is fire. And if it's not, I know you'll let me know in the comments. But also drop a comment, let me know which one you're going to use first. Let's get started. Here are 4 ways to reverse engineer how winning customers personalize their AI to match their brand voice. Number 1, feed ChatGPT your competitor's best content. Number 1, feed ChatGPT your competitor's best content. Find 3 to 5 pieces of content from brands you admire in your space, emails, social posts, blog articles that really nail their voice. Copy and paste them into ChatGPT and say, analyze the writing style, tone, and voice patterns in these examples. Now rewrite your content using the same style. You're basically giving it a masterclass in improving voice patterns. Number 2, steal from their customer service scripts. Number 2, steal from their customer service scripts. Go to successful companies' help centers, chat with their social bots, and read their FAQ sections. Screenshot the language they use to handle problems, objections, explanations. Then tell ChatGPT, I want you to adapt this communication style and paste examples. Their customer service voice is their most authentic brand voice. Number 3, copy their social media comment responses. Scroll through how successful brands respond to comments on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Look for high engagement and positive responses. Their comment style is pure gold. It's the brand voice distilled into bite-sized, proven interactions. Feed these examples to ChatGPT as your style guide. Number 4, reverse engineer their email sequence. Sign up for email lists of brands you respect. Screenshot their welcome sequences, their promotional emails, nurture campaigns. Pay attention to how they start sentences, their rhymes, their personality quirks. Then use these as training examples. Write like this brand does in their emails. Remember, replicate success, don't originate failure. These companies have already A/B tested their voice with real audience and real money on the line. If you watched the last video through, you know how to train ChatGPT to write like you or to personalize your ChatGPT to match your brand voice. Although learning how to personalize chat is just a teeny piece of the puzzle, the real win, knowing why you need content marketing in the first place. Like Les Brown is famous for saying, if you know the why, the how is easy. We'll discuss how to use content marketing to consistently attract leads, build trust, and position yourself as a pro. So, in our next video, we're going to break down what to post, where to post, and a simple content strategy